Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Quintillion. I am going to do a little handwriting with you. We are going to open our books, and you can always pause the video. We're going to open our books to page 36 in handwriting. I'm going to show you a cute little video I found. We just happened to find these online. This is a cute little video showing how they are diving letters, and you've probably seen this in your book before. This is showing us how to do the letter H.
Diver letters, lowercase.
I thought that was a really super cute little video. Here's our diving guy, and here's our letter H's. So we see him dive down. We're using our lines though. We don't go past the line. So we dive down, and then we swim up and over, and we go back down. That is how we do a letter H. Notice it starts at the top. It does not go from the bottom up. So you dive down. When you're doing the capital letter H over here, I'll show you a few on our smart board. Here we start at our letter H. We dive down. We come back up, dive down, and then we swim across. So capital H, dive down, swim across. Okay? You can practice that one. Starting at lowercase h, dive down, remember, come back up, swim over, and then touch down again. Dive down, swim back over, and touch the line. Okay, practice those H's. When you go to practice a word, like the word horse, look in the middle of horse, there's our bossy R. H, dive down, over, swim over and down. O is around. R is like an H. We dive down. Then our S. And E, hit the ball, run the bases. Horse. I'm not going to draw all of these letters for you, but you can go ahead and finish the page. Horse, high, and school. Okay? And then I'm going to go on to the next page. So I'm going to go ahead and erase what we just did here. And then we're going to go on to the next page, which is our letter B. Okay, there's also another little video for the letter B. So I'm going to go back and find the letter B on here. This is a book that you can go to. And then I'm going to see, here's my letter B. Here's my video for B. All right, so that is that one. Now I'm going to go back to my B in my book. B is found on page 37. It's right after the H page. When we look up to the top, once again, this is a dive down letter. So we're diving down, then we're swimming up and over and around, bump the line. Okay? We do the same thing with the capital B. Capital B, dive down, swim back up, we bump and bump. Capital B, swim, dive down, bump the line, and around. So you can continue with your capital letter B's. Lowercase b, we're starting at the top. Most of our letters start at the top. Dive down, come back up, swim around, and bump. Dive down, come back up, swim around, and bump. Okay? When we have the letters at the bottom, crab and tub, you are going to practice those right next to it on the line. So C, R, A, E. Notice how I'm writing those letters. T, start at the top. U, bump the line. And B, we start at the top and bump. Okay, then you have the word double and the word bub. You're going to continue down the page. I want you to practice those. The most important thing is that we're writing these correctly. We write for others to read it. So we want to make sure that others can read our writing. Take your time, practice your handwriting, page 36 and 37. Okay. Take care, boys and girls. See you later.